What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and you know why we're here today. We're gonna make this video pretty short. As you can tell, I did get some new merch. So I got the dipped Tanner Braungardt green and gray dipped shirt that says TB and Braungardt across, and on the back it's a circle with TB. I would show you, but I would get an ear infection and it hurts. That's why I'm filming this on my couch. I'm not gonna edit it. Not gonna have a thumbnail. Just gonna post it for you guys. It'll probably be literally like a minute and 15 seconds. But yeah, so I got this. It's really nice. TB, as you can kind of see, and then I also asked for a dib shirt. Maybe I can get one of those and make another video on that. Tomorrow my video is gonna be a trick shot video. So yeah, that should be fun. And that will be Friday. So Friday. And then after that it would be Saturday. But anyway, guys, that is gonna end this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. And I'll see you guys in the next one, cause we post every day. Peace.